the knowledge sharing session of Galaxy SIVTEK. Uh, okay, so I'm assuming that my screen is visible to everyone. Yeah, so this is Dhruvil Shah and welcome you in the knowledge sharing session for the powder transferring, saving and filtration solutions for the range of pharmaceutical industries. Firstly, I will play one corporate video of Galaxy SIVTEK so you come to understand what exactly we are and then we move further accordingly.
Consumers today are becoming more and more aware. People are moving towards edge of supremacy. And to stand tall in this market, everyone needs to deliver excellence. Believing in the philosophy that the customer is the king and they deserve the best is what kept us going for over a decade. Since 1990, we are providing the optimal sieving and filtering solutions. And through a constant innovation and manpower who have been supporting us from years together, we have helped many industries delivering the excellence. Welcome to our family. Welcome to Galaxy SIVTEK. Every machine at Galaxy SIVTEK begins its journey from a design table, where our designers work towards designing ideas for clients and turning those ideas into new products. Once the design is on paper, it goes through a panel of experts who, with their knowledge and experience, verify the designs. While taking control of best quality practices, we have established all essential in-house departments, which removes the need of an external vendor. We use a cutting-edge technology to give in the best finished products. Keeping safety and hygiene parameters first, we always keep our floors clean and ensure that our workers get on the floor with proper safety measures. Quality is the foundation of our company and is fully embedded in our purpose, process, and values. Fostering a quality mindset with the objective of developing and manufacturing world-class sieving and filtering equipments with zero defects that are trusted and preferred by all sublime industries. Our R&D team always works hard to add new technologies and make the process easier for customers' customized needs. And having in-house trial department enables us to deliver client requirement precisely. Committed to offering uncompromising product quality, Galaxy SIVTEK has a strong after-sales service teams of highly skilled and qualified professionals who can provide quick support anywhere in the world. Our constant innovations and commitments towards quality has attracted big and small brands, and in return, we are quite successful in gaining trust of many Fortune 500
Yeah, so
companies.
that was some basic about Galaxy SIVTEK. Now we move further to our topic that to add value into a saving, screening and filtration process in a pharmaceutical industry. So firstly, we will discuss why we use saving process. So basically, the sieving process is required to screen the either a powder product or a liquid product before we take it into a further process, whether it is as per the quality standard or not. So for that application, for the check screening or to gradate with any specific mesh size, we use a process. Now second question come, like where we use sieving machines in a pharmaceutical industry. So if we are a manufacturer of a API, so there is a two basic need to check screen the ingredients before we take it into a process or before we pack the APIs. After all the process, it need to be screened with the accurate mesh size to maintain the quality of the product which we are packing. And if we are on a granulation side. So there is a many needs like we can check screen before we blend. Even after blending, it is suggestible to screen before we move further to a we can say dry or wet granulation. And after granulation, it is required to grade with a particular size as per the product. And once the tablet will get ready, it need to be dedust. So in the dedusting application, we can utilize the range of screening and the filtration solutions. So the same which I would like to explain you with the dry granulation on the right hand side and the wet granulation on the left side. So if it is a dry granulation, the Galaxy SIVTEK, from its years of experience, we can provide an accurate screening solutions to screen the ingredients which we are using for the dry mixing. And after the dry mixing is also need to be screened that the mixed product is properly mixed or not. So we can provide a screening solution at that stage. And after the second mixing of the dry granulation, we can utilize our sifters to screen, or we can say transfer to a tablet press. If we go for a wet granulation, there is a same application, but in the wet granulation, after conical mill, it is advisable to screen with the specific mesh size before we take it into a further process. So if any lumps or impurity is there, we can definitely eliminate, and we can make sure that the product which we are converting into a tablet, it is free from any kind of contamination and the impurities. And if you are a user, or in the process of a direct compaction method, so it's advisable and suggestible to use a screening solution at the initial stage before we take our product into a blend to eliminate the impurities. Now we talk about some of the major challenges which faced by many of a pharmaceutical manufacturer for the needs of a sieving and filtration. So some of them are just like you can see on the screen. It is a dusting, mesh blinding, cross contamination, manual contamination, and these major issues or the challenges will convert into a low efficiency. In the result, material handling challenges, batch time issue, or sometimes due to ineffective screening solution, you will also get a challenge in the US FDA approval due to improper screened of material, or we can find the impurity if it is not properly screened material. And to solve them, Galaxy SIVTEK can be one of your preferred business partner for the same, that because we do have a widest range of screening and filtration solution, because any of the need comes with this unique requirement, and Galaxy SIVTEK is having a multiple range of machines which can identify and suggestible as per your application that which range of machine is perfectly suitable, whether it is an inline kind, whether it is a vacuum type sieving machine, whether it is a rotary type sieving machine, or it is a standard pharma sieving machine. Second major challenge which is faced by a pharmaceutical industry was a blinding. So blinding indirectly result into a less throughput of the process, mesh restricted area, downtime due to you need to clean it repetitively and reduce the mesh size, and sometimes it will also increase the production cost. Now to avoid that, majorly in a pharmaceutical peoples are using, or the professionals are using, we can say clean disk type cleaning solution, or sometimes they are using ring and ball. It is called a mesh deblending solution. But as per Galaxy SIVTEK, as per our experience with the working with the pharmaceutical industry, we understood that not every solution can be solved by a ball or a rings. So in that case, we advise our customer, or we advise to solve this kind of challenge with the help of a vibrasonic deblending system, which is latest technology for the deblending. Now I will play one video. In this video, you can see what is the performance difference between if you are using a sifter without a ball tray, if you are system with the ball tray, and if you are a system with the vibrasonic deblinding system. The first on the right hand side is a vibrasonic deblinding system. The second one is a sifter with the ball and tray type of arrangement for the deblinding. And the last one is without ball. So you can see there is a difference in the processing speed and as well as in the accuracy of the screening. So now I hope it's clear for you that each of the blending requirement needs a unique solution. So feel free to contact us for your any of your queries. So it will be our pleasure to help you with that. Now, if we come to a second point, it is a material handling challenge. The material handling is play a vital role in a pharmaceutical industry. We can provide a vacuum transferring system and a vacuum sieving machine to suck the material from a silo, hopper, jumbo bag, or any of your inputs, and we can transfer easily to your packaging machine, RMG, or a blender. One of our valued customer in Bangladesh were facing the same challenge. Their batch time earlier was a 60 minute, and in a day per 7 hour they are doing only 6 batch. But after getting the SIVTEK vacuum transferring and the powder, transferring system solution, they have reduced the batch time with the 30 minute, and per day now they are doing 4 numbers of extra batch and without any contamination. So if you are facing also similar kind of challenge, then Galaxy SIVTEK can consult and provide you a best solution. And now I will play one video for the same. So here you can see we can provide a vacuum sifter. You can suck the material under the vacuum. It will get screened, and we can easily transfer to a desired height with the proper arrangement as per your planter understanding that how it actually works. So it comes with a pneumatic control system, panels and all. So you can set all the desired inputs as per your exact requirement. So at the initial stage, like if we are considering it is your jumbo bag or your storage from where we have to suck the material and screen and transfer to RMG, just example. So the system is capable to suck the material under the vacuum. So there is a zero probability of a human involvement, and it will work automatically as per set time. It will get sucked under the vacuum. It will get screened. The screen product will come from the bottom side, and it can transfer easily to your RMG or a packing line or a blender or your meal, wherever we want to transfer without any human involvement. Now this was some portion about, we can say, a powder product. Now if you are a user of or a manufacturer of a liquid product, we can say a liquid syrup or a cream, many kind of challenges, and to solve that, we provide a unique SIVTEK self-cleaning filter, which comes along with its advantage. I will play a video. The video on the right hand side is our existing machine, which is running in our reputed pharmaceutical customer for the filtration of a cough syrup before they pack. And if we go for a construction, the material, or we can say a basket which we are using or providing, it is a wage wire trapezoidal SS316L basket, which is designed to work under pressure. And if I will just elaborate what the system, our liquid product will first come inside the basket, and it will pass through a designed size of a micron opening. So any kind of impurity which is there, which is bigger than our micron size, will remain inside of the periphery, and one cleaning disk will be there, which is continuously scraping the material. So the filtration process is also continuous, and we are eliminating the impurities as well. And every system is customized as per your requirement. So it is our humble request that if you are also facing challenge with your existing conventional filters, so Galaxy SIVTEK can provide you best consultancy and provide you best services for the same. We also provide, we can say, a magnetic separator along with the machines. Either it is a powder product or a liquid product. For liquid product, we can provide online magnetic filter, and for the powder product, we can firstly understand your requirement and provide the best solution for the same accordingly. These are some of the happy brands to whom the Galaxy SIVTEK is already serving. And now I will play one video just to showcase that what Galaxy SIVTEK has did in past 2 decades for the pharmaceutical industry. So these are some of our existing customers. And from the years of experience of providing best solution, we have developed some of the unique products for the pharmaceutical industry, which can serve your need considering the quality standard. Now, firstly, if we talk about the SIVTEK sanitary sifter, so it is a standard pharma sieving machine. Mostly all of you are aware about this. But the Galaxy SIVTEK products comes along with the unique quality which match your desired result, and as well as if we come move further, the construction of material is as per the pharma grade, or the rubber part, contact part of the material which comes with the pharma grade approval, so that can help you with the for the audit term as well. The next one is a vacuum shifter. So it's a unique, and the people are moving towards the vacuum system to avoid the human involvement, and uh, which will result into a higher efficiency, or we can say uh, improvement in a batch time, because it reduces the human involvement. Now, these are some of the certifications which majorly required by a pharmaceutical industry, and that can be easily delivered by a Galaxy SIVTEK. So, if you require any kind of support for the screening and filtration, then you can easily reach to us. Now, we come why Galaxy SIVTEK. So, Galaxy SIVTEK is basically ISO 9001 2015 company who can provide all the necessary certifications like ATEX Zone, CE Mark, CGMP, and the FDA norms. We are presently exporting in 30 plus countries, and we have a very good presence in Arabic countries like we can say Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, Qatar, Egypt, Turkey, and many others are there. Apart of that, we have developed 13 plus different products which are specifically developed for the different needs related to a screening and filtration. So that is a added value for you. So if you can share your requirement with us, so we firstly understand the requirement, as we do have a R&D design and a trial facility readily available, so we can understand your requirement, and then we can suggest you the best solution along with the different modification, or we can say customizations as per your need. Galaxy SIVTEK is providing solution into a 12 different industries, including food, pharmaceutical, FMG, and many other. Till now, we had delivered 10,000 plus successful projects around the globe, and we are working with the 1200 plus reputed brand. And 60% we are getting a repeat business on year or year, which shows our quality and our service for our existing customer. So, if you are facing any kind of similar challenge, either in your existing system, or if you are planning the new line and where you want to implement a screening and filtration solutions, where Galaxy SIVTEK can definitely guide you and provide you a base solution for your need, because as I mentioned earlier, each of the screening and filtration need comes along with its unique requirement. Not every machine work with the for every application. So it is very desirable to understand the requirement first and to choose a base solution according to that. And we can provide you a best and optimistic solution for the same. So this is my contact details. You can take it as your reference, and many thanks for your valued time during the presentation. We can definitely look forward to meet you via next online meeting, or via call, or via email, and it will our pleasure to serve any of your need. We can also deliver a good reference for your existing we can say your challenges, and we can also show you how we can do that. And apart of that, we do have a representative available in multiple countries, so we can also provide you a local support according to a country from which you are belong. So that's a added advantage for the after sales and service. If we talk about the spares, we can provide you a spares even after many years once you have our machine. So that's all from my side. That Galaxy SIVTEK can provide you a base range or solution for the different needs related to a vacuum transferring system, vacuum screening, or we can say a standard screening, and the different needs related to a filtration. So once again, I wish you, your family members, and everyone is well and safe in this pandemic situation, and hope to see you soon in via email or call from you. You can scan this code even, and you can contact us directly via WhatsApp, and we are ready to support you for any of your need. Thank you.